YMCA family. We're here in our closed building to show you a couple tips for how you can still stay active while you're at home. So if you don't have access to the gym right now, which is most of us, then there are lots of ways that you can adapt things that you already have sitting around the house to do the exercises that you know and love from our group fitness classes or from your workouts upstairs in the gym. I know many of us like to do foam rolling, and a foam roller is a great way to work out any sort of knots or kinks you might have in your muscles, but not all of us have a foam roller to use at home. We do have one, a few actually here at the Y, if you would like to use those sometime. But if you're home, you can use a simple water bottle to do the trick in a lot of areas. So I'm going to start with this down here, and we're going to foam roll with the water bottle from my knee down to my foot. So we're going from the knee, you're going to push yourself up and roll down to your ankle. Knee to ankle, knee to ankle. And you do want to do this with a harder water bottle like this Nalgene bottle we have here. And then the fatter the water bottle that you use, the better it's going to be. So from here, you would foam roll for about 30 seconds here, 20 to 30, and then we're going to work our way up. So now we're going from your knee up to your hip. So you're going to start right here at the knee. Again, push yourself up, roll up to the hip, right here. And this feels really good, especially after you did all of those leg workouts earlier. From here, we can go to your glutes. So we're coming down from the top of your leg up towards the small of your back. So we're coming up and rolling on your glutes. And then you also want to make sure that you get this muscle that goes right along the outside of your leg here. So for that, I recommend going on your side. And when you go on your side, I'm going to bring this opposite leg over towards the front. And again, we can stretch that side muscle right here. Awesome. So I'm going to come down. If you happen to find an area that maybe feels a little tense, feel free to go over that area with a little bit more detail. And then you do the exact same thing on the other side. So you'd go calf, hamstring, glutes, and then on your side. From here, this is really, the next thing I'm going to show you works better with something longer like an actual foam roller, but you can do it with a water bottle too. And we're going to go from the small of your back up towards your shoulder blades. So we're rolling like this. Now you're going to notice this requires a lot of core strength as you hold yourself up. And I would recommend just doing this part of your back first, and then we can come up to do your upper back. So we're going to go shoulder blades right here, and I felt that pop. This feels really good. Once you've done your upper back, let the water bottle sit right underneath of your head, and we're going to take your head from side to side, looking to the right, looking to the left. And that will help the muscles in your neck. I know a lot of us hold a lot of tension right here in our heads, so this feels really good as well. And that is some of the ways that you can do a little bit of makeshift foam rolling with a water bottle. Super simple and easy.